Creamy egg salad stuffed tomatoes, and they're ready in just 20 minutes. Today we're making egg salad stuffed tomatoes, a savory, easy, budget-friendly appetizer. Perfect for a party platter, brunch table or any festive moment. Peel the eggs and mash them with a fork. It doesn't have to be too smooth. A little texture makes the egg salad even better. Add the finely chopped shallot. Spoon in the mayonnaise, Greek yogurt, curry sauce, a little curry powder, mustard and lemon juice. Mix everything together until you have a creamy egg salad. This is the filling. Soft, creamy and full of flavor. So good with those juicy cherry tomatoes. Cut a very thin slice of the bottom of each tomato. That way they'll stand up nicely on a plate. Slice off the top as well. Carefully scoop out the inside with a teaspoon. Take your time because the tomatoes are small. Fill the tomatoes with the egg salad and place them on a serving platter. Keep going until all the cherry tomatoes are filled or until the egg salad is gone. Sprinkle fresh chives on top. It makes them look bright, fresh and ready to serve. And that's it. Little stuffed tomatoes with creamy egg salad. Savory, easy and full of flavor. You'll find a full recipe through the link in the description. Save this video for your next party. Subscribe for more easy recipes and tell me, when would you serve these?